Alright guys, y'all don't see this too often from me. I'm in the woods. Look there. I'm in this real open woods. Kind of got some undergrowth to it. But it's been windy. I bet you there's a coyote in here. Always coyotes back in this holler. And this holler's actually called Bobcat Holler. This holler, we've called it Bobcat Holler my whole life. So it's about 3:30, kind of midday. Neighbors and all them been hearing coyotes, so I just figured a little change of scenery would be alright. We called up 3 this morning, we've killed 2. Now I'm running solo. Y'all stick with me, see if I can kill this coyote. This could happen quick. That coyote just came into a Mach 10. He put his nose in the X24. I couldn't stop him. Rifling in the woods, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, it could happen quick, and buddy, it did. Just walking out here, let's grab our call. That wasn't, but I don't know. A couple minutes of, no, I mean a couple seconds of MFK squeaky squeaky. Here's our call. That daggone coyote ran right up this little deer trail, ran right up that trail, put his nose in the call. He turned, spun, knew something was up, but he didn't know like exactly what was happening. He ran right here, put a path right here. He's right. I was sitting right there. I killed him right here, and there he is. That joker is done for. The 6th Creed put a hurting on him. Female. Oh, female. She ain't getting no odor, ain't gonna mess with no dogs, nothing like that. Yes, sir. Look at that coyote, pretty. With the MFK edition X24. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll tell you, if you don't have the MFK library on your side, you're missing out. I mean, it's stand after stand. We've made 5 stands today, caught in 4 coyotes, and this is into February, hunting pressure ground here in Kentucky. I mean, we're wearing them out still. But guys, I appreciate you. Hit that like button, share us with a friend, let everybody know what's going on, let them know we're killing coyotes, and we're having a good time doing it. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna see you on the next one.